Is AI about to break the economy? Even the US government is quietly worried. A leaked report from the Treasury Department, people in charge of country's money, compared AI to the dot-com crash, a huge internet company crash from 20 years ago. And that's coming from the same government that's been telling everyone, keep investing, it will be fine. That's like your school hanging out candy and then whispering to the nurse to stock up on stomach medicine. The money problem. Here's the issue. AI companies have spent about $3 to $4 trillion, most of it borrowed. That loan cost about $100 billion a year just in interest. Pay that off, AI would basically need to replace about 10 million jobs every single year forever. That's a lot of pressure for something that still makes silly mistakes. The charge more later plan. Companies like OpenAI lose money every time you use their AI, hoping to become the only choice in the future. But cheap, really good AI from Chinese companies like the one called Kimi keep popping up for far less money. And now AI can even run for free right on your laptop. No internet needed. That's terrible news for everyone hoping you will pay $20 a month forever. A job that aren't disappearing that smoothly. A lot of companies tried replacing real customer service worker with AI, and that had to bring humans back after too many mistakes. There's also Builder.ai, a company that said its app building tool was powered by AI, but a lot of work was secretly done by real people. That company went back. Even Wall Street is now. The number of big investors who think AI is a bubble jumped from 1 in 10 to almost half in a few months. The takeaway, AI will probably change the world eventually. That part is likely true. The real question is whether it can make enough money right now to pay off all this debt. So if you ever think about throwing your saving into some flashy new AI company, be careful. People who start the company usually get rich first. People who join late are often the one left holding the bag when the bubble pops. Thank you.